The ASEAN Future Forum 2026, or AFF 2026, officially opened under the theme Shaping Our Future Together, Peace, Prosperity, People-Centered on Tuesday morning in Hanoi, bringing together senior ASEAN leaders, partner countries, and a wide range of international experts.
In his keynote address, Prime Minister Lee Min-hoon stressed the importance of ASEAN's proactive role in shaping its own future and highlighted three strategic directions: dialogue, innovation, and a people-centered community. Our reporter Mai Khanh has more.
The ASEAN Future Forum 2026 raises a key question. How can ASEAN shape and not just adapt to its future in a changing world? As the region faces growing challenges from geopolitical tensions, technological disruption, and climate change, Vietnam believes ASEAN should become a driving force in shaping new trends. After nearly 6 decades, the bloc's strength lies in its unity, resilience, and diversity. Vietnamese Prime Minister Lee Min-hoon delivered the keynote address at the opening ceremony of the 2026 ASEAN Future Forum, where he laid out an ambitious roadmap for ASEAN's journey toward the Community Vision 2045 with 3 strategic ambitions. First, ASEAN must not merely be a follower of global trends, but actively shape them. Second, ASEAN must go out of its identity as a manufacturing hub and into a true center for innovation. And third, ASEAN must evolve from a community of nations into a community of people. According to the Prime Minister, ASEAN should move beyond being a beneficiary of peace and open trade to becoming a stronger voice in shaping regional rules, cooperation frameworks, and trust-based dialogue. It also needs to grow from a manufacturing hub into an innovation center, where technology is not only consumed, but also created. This requires stronger investment in science, the digital economy, and high-quality human resources.
ASEAN's greatest achievement over nearly 6 decades has been showing the world that differences need not lead to division. Unity does not come at the expense of diversity, and integration can go hand in hand with the preservation of identity. In the decades ahead, ASEAN can further demonstrate that a united and resilient community is well placed to contribute meaningfully to peace, cooperation, and development in the region and beyond.
As we look towards the future, our understanding, cooperation, and building partnership must continue to evolve. Stronger synergy is needed, not only among governments, but also among the peoples of Southeast Asia, and between governments and the people they serve. ASEAN's future success will depend on its ability to grow beyond its intergovernmental foundations.
The forum's agenda focuses on how ASEAN can strengthen its resilience and unity in an increasingly complex world. Discussions also cover emerging challenges and opportunities, including conflict prevention, AI adoption, energy security, and new development models for the region.